So I'm still waiting on the shock absorbers, but I want to go on ahead and make the mountings for the shock absorbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm making up this piece over here that's the same size basically as the shock absorber. So I'm going to use this and as a dummy or a mock-up shock absorber, so I can make the mounts and weld it, and I can finish this front suspension up. Once I've got the front suspension all set, then I can line up the axle with the back axle, set the height over there, and then mount those shock absorbers as well. Yeah. Quick progress update. I've ordered the 450 kilogram springs. I've done some basic calculations to find the equilibrium point over there. While I'm waiting for the springs, I've made mock-up springs, and that's the equilibrium over there with 2 more adjustment points because I'm not sure how that's going to react. I've tacked in the floor. I've tacked on the roll bar. I still need to put in struts over here, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the back, I've got the mock-up springs here with the equilibrium 2 adjustment points. I've got the engine and drive box bolted onto the plate, and this plate is bolted onto the swing arm suspension, so I can change this whole setup later. That's a 64:1 ratio box. That's just for now, temporary for the kids to learn. you.